Hi all, Mackie here. Well, this year for my nephew's birthday, I decided to make him something a little old school. So this is a control board, the type you'd probably get out of some sort of catalogue in the 50s or 60s. You wire it up yourself. This one is a representation of essentially how an electric vehicle works. So here we have our battery, we've got our breaker or on-off switch, we have our motor controller, our motor, and of course a little wheel that will spin around once the whole thing is working. Now my nephew's only 7, but that's cool. He's got his father to help him out. I've labeled everything with positive and negative. I've got the you can't stuff it up wires, so I think all's going to work out pretty well. Let's see how it works. So I've got this 12-volt power supply. We'll just plug it into our battery. So our battery's got power. Hit our breaker and our light's going to come on the control board there. So our motor controller's on, and of course we turn the dial and the motor runs. Yeah, that's... Oh, I can see that motor. I can see that tire flying off. Oh, I better write some instructions on the back. That can go super fast. Yeah, that's... Oh God, that's a little scary. Yeah, I'll make sure my brother's aware of that one. But anyways, that's essentially how it works. Let's have a quick look on the back. So I've just embedded some wires in the back just to wire up all the components and make it easy for him. There's of course some nice rubber feet on it. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can. Cool. So yeah, that's what I made for my nephew for Christmas. Alright, thanks very much for watching.